Are they spicy?
Ryan, you okay over there?
What did you just bite,
You okay?
Ryan? Was that a habanero?
Oh.
Now don't rub your eyes. Ah! Yep, there you go.
It's time for the veggies to have a haircut. What can I say?
Julie's the old scissor method here.
What? Is that how you make banana ketchup? You bananas and ketchup, banana ketchup.
I have a side dish, and it's the Olivia salad, which is kind of like a potato salad. I am slicing these hot-ass potatoes, and then I'm slicing up these hot eggs.
Val, we have 2 minutes to get something on the plate.
He looked at you, he's like, I don't care what you said. He's like,
That potato is hard.
Potatoes hot. So in Olivia salad, I chop up kielbasa, but I didn't have the kielbasa. It was like a hot dog. No, whatever, same thing. Now I have to taste my borscht. Tastes like something. My brain is scattered. I'm so lost.
Where's the chicken? Where's the bucket? Where's the brown sugar? Where's the vinaigrette go?
Now I have to make the sauce from scratch, but I'm stressing.
How do I put this in there? Oh,
I don't know elementary things. I'm overthinking it.
I should have paid attention how she got the stuff in there more efficiently. Cooking thing is hard.
Val is overwhelmed. Put paprika and cayenne?
Yeah.
Okay, great. A little bit of olive oil?
Yeah.
So then I put everything in the blender. I've watched this show, seen that happen to someone, I'm like, that is 101. And to be the guy that does that was hilarious, if it wasn't so sad.
Now I need to, I forgot what I gotta do with this. Boil it.
So it's time to do a Brussels sprouts, and I just looked at Reza threw all his Brussels sprouts inside the boiling pot. So I said, well, if you did it, I'ma do it too.
Oh, crap.
Whoop, sorry. And I'm just mixing it all up in there.
By the way, I threw my sprouts in there with yours, huh?
That's why they're raw.
So annoying.
But how am I gonna get mad at her? Have you seen Amara? She talks and my face, the smile just comes on.
So how do y'all know whose Brussels is cooked
We
and
don't.
not cooked?
We don't.
We don't.
Amara just cooks like a tornado is coming through. Like, one's gonna be crunchy, one's gonna be soft, and it's probably gonna end up being on the same plate. I hope I don't get a mushy one.
Oh no! Oh no! Ah!
Your hole has to be big enough for all the eggs.
No! No, the dam broke!
Manila, how big is your hole? You got it together?
She's like a volcano, it's like a lava flow. The villagers at the bottom of the volcano, watch out!
Oh, the humanity.
Okay. 10 minutes.
Where's your spice coming from?
I know I need to add spice to this.
Can I grab this?
Okay,
bye.
So I add crushed red pepper. Whew.
She dumps in a half a container of red pepper.
Oh, yeah,
Too much.
I have way too much red pepper in this pan. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Way too much.
You're not supposed to kill the judges. You're just supposed to add a little spice to it.
All I'm thinking is, this is the end.
Peppers for the curry.
What else you put in there, Ryan?
Carrots, shrimp, and mussels.
Did you check all those?
Yeah? How do you check these?
If they're closed, they're good to go.
Here we go.
If they're open and you tap them and they don't close, that means they're dead.
Look at me learning how to do these mussels. This is sick.
I mean, you don't have to beat it up, Ryan.
What?
Don't punch it, just tap it. The poor guy's already gonna...
I've got to make sure he's up.
Chef, for skirt's sake, do you cut against the...
Well, think about it. You could sear the whole steak and then cut it after it's cooked.
Okay.
Magic. It's gonna be a little easier and you get a better caramelization on it.
Reza took the ground beef. Okay, I'll do shrimp. Chef, when making shrimp tacos, do I leave the tail on?
How you gonna eat a taco like that? Like, what makes sense to you?
Probably not, right?
No.
You got it, CT?
I don't know. I thought I did. For my dry rub, I grab coffee, sea salt, granulated garlic, and some white peppercorns. So I'm using coffee because, one, I love coffee. Two, I've had a coffee rub at a steakhouse before. It just spoke to me about the coffee, so I grab it. Why not?
Hey, look at this guy, mechanic of the year. He works on cars.
I am actually going to copy Chef Jeff. Going to make the pureed sweet potatoes. Go safe, I'm a Virgo. But will I be safe? I'm going to roast some cashew nuts and sprinkle them on top. I don't know.
Loaded quesadilla. So what else are we gonna load it with?
yeah.
Put some onions and bell peppers in that frying pan right now.
Why?
What do you mean?
I need to put it inside the thing. And...
Right, but you want them
but you want to
cooked.
cook
You
it a
don't
little
want
bit.
them raw.
You want to cook it.
Really?
No idea why I need to cook them. They taste pretty good fresh.
Yeah, let's put the onions in there. Yes?
Yes. I don't think Chef Tiffany's gonna like what I'm making. She's gonna love it. I made an award-winning crab cake a few weeks ago. That look like I know what I'm doing. So now I'm going to make the mini version, and I'm putting it on a golden toasty bun. Do I even remember how to make this? No. I think I made this wrong. I honestly don't remember the recipe. I'm just gonna start cutting. So I'm just going to riff on it. Pickles are like my favorite thing. I eat pickles all the time. Pickles are 0 calories. Oh my God, is that my alarm? Am I waking up from a nightmare?
Val, can you start the drinks?
Yeah, which ones?
Juice a bunch of lemon.
Juice a bunch of lemons.
My figs are in the oven, and now I have some time to start on our team's cocktail.
Is there a better way to squeeze this? What's the name of this drink? Rez.
Lemon drop.
Apparently, lemon drop is a glamorous drink.
So if it says half times 5,
Right,
two
so
and a half.
1, 2.
2.5.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure which numbers are ounces and liters.
Ounces.
Ounce.
So everything was ounce?
Me.
I don't know if Val is bad at math. How's the measuring going? Or if his conversion rate from milliliter to ounces is a little different.
These are ounces. All right.
He's doing his own thing, so I'm freaking out.
Yeah, that's a lot of vodka.
I am so discombobulated with the numbers and ingredients.
Who knew this was gonna be so hard?
Julie, what are you topping your burger with? Great answer. Thanks so much. Hey, Julie.
All I can focus on right now is coming up with our own spin on this burger. I just burnt the bacon. I'm making a 3-cheese loaded rocker. Parmesan cheese. Using everything but the kitchen sink. I'm trying to work on some different flavors.
All right, great.
Because we all know everybody likes their burger a different way. Do you have the curry powder? Some people like it spicy, some people don't.
Have curry? No.
Some people like black peppercorn or like a sweet and savory. Give it a shot. Some people like Parmesan, jack cheese, or mozzarella mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, basil leaf. Some people like magicians. I like romantic comedies.
Apples?
Well, you know where I'm going with this, right? It's all what your flavor is.
Julie, she keeps putting more things on. Overdoing it really negates that it's a burger. Less. Stop.
Chef, how's this burger looking?
Let me see. How's this guy?
Yeah.
That's done. But the other one needs to be cooked.
Yes, sir.
And these are the fries. Did you season them with your stuff when they came right out of the fryer?
No. Ah, I forgot to season my fries as soon as the fries came out of the fryer. I'll do more.
Awesome. But I like that cut on the fry. I like a little shoestring style.
A little shoestring?
You're turning into the fry man.
Make sure this is all charred on all edges. I cut my tenderloin in half. I try to, maybe cut a corner to see how far off I was. Whatever, it'll be fine. You never notice. So I thought.
Why'd you cut into the tenderloin?
I just had to peek. I just had to see what was in there.
You gotta use the temp instead of cutting.
I just put them back together. It's good as new.
Oh, you put it back together, magically.
Well, I mean, what do you want? I mean, I'm gonna slice them up anyway, so it wasn't like I was gonna serve it whole. Come on, I'm over here. I'm
Cooking over here. Look at the David Blaine of boot camp over here. Just magically put the tenderloin back together. You're piping your nuts?
No, because I pounded them so I didn't lose them all.
But why are you using the piping bag for
Because
nuts?
I just contained them.
Okay.
So I didn't get them all over and waste them.
Oh, okay, very good. I like the way. All right. It's piping nuts.
Stressing me out.
Manila, what are you making?
I am making an orange sauce for my duck. Sweet potatoes and roasting some carrots. You know I love a color theme, so we're going to go with an orange sauce on my duck. Girl, look how orange you look. I've never cooked with oranges before, but I'm pretty sure that I should take off the skin, right? Boop, boop, right? Come on, orangey. Who knows? Who knows? I don't know. Careful. Before I came to boot camp, I thought I was doing something in the kitchen because I was adding some Italian seasoning to my jar of pasta sauce.
Manila, you're also gonna wanna keep a little orange juice.
And now I come here and I'm realizing, like, I don't know what the I'm doing. And a little zesty just because we extra. What's in the pan?
So for my dish, I'm making lamb with a creamy mashed potato and a pickled cabbage.
Make sure that red cabbage is thin. I want to wrestle with it.
Copy that. Trying to make things that Chef Jeff likes. I know he likes pickled anything. Pickled carrot, radish, red cabbage.
That's not red cabbage. It's ridiculous.
I know what cabbage is.
That's not red cabbage.
This? Tomato. I don't know, looks the same to me. Oh, hey, we're here.
Oh, yeah. Boom. Do you remember how we cut the cabbage?
Shredded like lettuce?
Yeah, but create a stable base first and then cut it in half. It's gonna be the hardest thing you've cut yet. Well, that was one way to do it.
It gets it done.
So I shred the cabbage, slice the radish and the carrots. Like some dill. Throw them in the pot of 1 part water, 1 part vinegar. And, pray for the best.
Bev, do you know what you're doing for 2 sides?
Yeah, I'm gonna do sweet potato mash and asparagus.
Okay, asparagus. It's a plural of asparagus, asparagus. Do you know that?
Yeah. Once my sweet potatoes are soft, I throw them in the blender. I add my heavy cream and my butter and my garlic. I do not have a minute to waste.
A little floor blending going on here.
So I am just going to blend wherever the blender is. Yes, I'm doing it on the ground, which happens to be on the ground.